Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Cryptokip, and today we're going to be talking about the truth for cryptocurrency in 2023. And yes, Jim Cramer tweeted again about crypto. We're going to talk about that and more. Things and reasons why I'm bullish, and some reasons why some people are currently scared about the crypto markets. I'm going to walk through a little bit of that and more in today's video with a quick market update for you guys to start it off. If you like that kind of content, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel because we are doing 4 videos every single day for you. And when we hit 10,000 subscribers on the channel, we are giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber, guys. And we're currently at 6,500 subscribers. So subscribe now and know that when we hit 25,000 subscribers on the channel, we're giving away a loaded lion. Yes, that's right. All you got to do is follow us on Twitter at _cryptoreport to enter this giveaway and get your chance at a free loaded lion currently worth about $2,000. So not a bad deal. We're giving back to the community, guys, as much as we can here and spreading the word about crypto, good and bad. We got a market cap right now, folks, of $819 billion. Bitcoin dominance floating just under 40%. Ethereum dominance at 18.7%. Solana was up big earlier, came back down a little bit. And crypto was up overall. I think Bitcoin briefly broke above $17,000 for just a pinch. Just missed $17,000 on some exchanges. It was trading at 17,000, but really trying to break out here in the beginning of 2023. We are in a new year. We have volatility, as we were talking about. We talked about, check out our previous videos. We said there will be volatility moving into a new monthly candle, and that's exactly what we have right now. Ethereum actually taking a really nice gain of 7%, or just 6% over the last 7 days, 4% on the day, which is actually pretty good. And Binance actually broke above $250 amongst some of the fears about some centralized exchange coins, BNB being one of them. Look, we're fighting the FUD, guys. That's what we do here. And Dogecoin is looking at a 3% gain here across the day. Ripple kind of holding flat. That SEC case is still doing some damage to them, but Solana is up to $13.5, 40% recovery over the last 7 days. So if you bought the bottom of Solana, you're doing pretty good for now. And Bonk coin continues to fly unbelievably high, which is nuts. But Cronos coin just under 6 cents, was above 6 cents several times today. But we are seeing a move up, which is exactly what we want to see, Crow fam. We got to break above this 6 cent level and kind of get back up to that 6.2 cent range. And then after that, we really need to kind of break above the 6.5, 7 cent range to really get anywhere. I'd be looking for a break above 7.5 cents really to make any kind of move back up to the fair value, which I think is around that 11, 12 cent price. I think that's the real fair value for Crow right now. But I do expect $1 Crow. I mean, we do believe $1 Crow coin here at the Crypto Report. But let's get into some of the content and what we're seeing. First of all, shout out to Gold Pony Crypto. I do believe that, again, fair value price for Crow coin is about 12 cents, and you got people buying the dip. So I'm shouting out Gold Pony today because we are doing a collab with him tomorrow. So make sure you guys check that out. Follow him on Twitter as well as us here at the Crypto Report. But folks in the Crow fam are DCing. Gold Pony Crypto, DCing. Love to see that, my brother. Goodbye here. And you know what? His tweet says, I don't want to look back and say I wish I had bought more. I agree with you completely. These are the best times to buy the dip. We are 100% on the same page. My Crow fam, brother. But in the meantime, there is more FUD coming out. The most recent piece of FUD is the Fed, FDIC, and currency comptroller are warning banks about messing with crypto. In other words, I believe that they are threatening banks. These agencies have significant safety and soundness concerns with business models that are concentrated in crypto asset-related activities. In other words, they're threatened by crypto and they don't want you to mess with it. But the deal is, guys, is they can't stop it because we're talking about international laws, guys. FDIC controls a little bit of the U.S. regulatory system. Sure, yeah, for sure. But let's look at some other countries. Turkey, Ukraine, whatever, wherever. Right now, Ukrainian pharmacies are using Binance Pay to actually allow people to buy pharma. Can you believe that? So crypto is here to stay. Meanwhile, the federal government here in the U.S. is still playing some interesting dirty games, spreading more FUD, threatening issuing a warning to banks. And the reason I call it a threat is because, look, there's clearly a concerted effort. Jim Cramer tweeted out today, guys, the crypto Ponzi continues. Crypto Ponzi continues. That's all he has to say. And what he retweeted is a New York Magazine post. And this New York Magazine post reads, CoinDesk was the first outlet to publish indisputable proof that SBF's crypto empire was on shaky ground. The report upended the industry it covers and in turn relies on reports. So, and in turn relies on. So they're saying here that CoinDesk crushed the industry that it relies on, which is very, very interesting. Share. And, there's not a lot of insight here from Jim Cramer. It's just saying crypto's a Ponzi scheme, which is a very popular talking point. And really, at the end of the day, what I see here is CoinDesk outed SBF. So if crypto is really a Ponzi scheme, Jim, let's talk about the truth, Jim. If CoinDesk is outing crypto's Ponzi scheme, SBF, then how is crypto a Ponzi scheme, right? If we are outing the bad actors, CoinDesk is outing the bad actors. And by the way, DCG, okay, owns CoinDesk, okay? And so you've got right now, DCG is actually hitting some interesting news. Barry is the owner of DCG, and they own CoinDesk, and they also own Gemini. Yeah, you've heard of the Winklevoss twins. They own Gemini. They actually came out and ousted SBF and his crypto empire, right? That was on shaky ground. Because it was on shaky ground, they were telling the truth here. And it seems like Jim Cramer is saying that this was a bad thing. And I really think it's actually a good thing that CoinDesk was able to put their bias aside and report on this. And apparently they were the first outlet to publish indisputable proof. I think that's a good thing. So I just don't really see what he's saying here. The point is that Jim Cramer is a Neanderthal when it comes to Bitcoin. And the fact of the matter is that he bought a family farm from profits in crypto. So I just don't understand. This is, again, a concerted effort by the mainstream media and publications to do a smear campaign against crypto alongside the FDIC and the federal government, which are threatening crypto. Empty threats, by the way, threats that they can't actually follow through on, though people are scared about centralized exchanges and their coins associated with them, Crocoin, Binance Coin, because of a potential them being labeled as security. Guys, I'll tell you this. If Crocoin and Binance are labeled security, I expect Ethereum and other crypto coins to be labeled in a security. And I really think that, it's just FUD. I really do believe that it's FUD. If crypto becomes a security, so be it. Doesn't mean you can't still buy it. So it's just going to be interesting to see how these companies react when that does come out. Meanwhile, if there is FUD and we see a dip, I again think that the move is to buy some more, just like Gold Pony did here recently. So want to throw that at you. And speaking of, shady business, I guess, if you will, Coinbase reaches $100 million settlement with New York regulators. New York Times is reporting on this. So what does this mean? Coinbase reached a $100 million settlement with New York regulators. The U.S. crypto exchange will pay $50 million for letting customers open accounts with few background checks and spend $50 million to improve compliance. Okay, so basically they got to pay New York $50 million, and they now have to spend $50 million to improve compliance. What I see when I read this is I go, okay, so in other words, New York regulators extorted Coinbase saying you must do this and pay this money or we're going to shut you down. We're going to shut you down unless you pay us $100 million, $50 million, and you use $50 million to improve compliance. I tweeted this out, guys. Is this extortion? New York putting the squeeze on crypto, pay to play world? We need decentralization, folks. This is the proof. We need the on-ramps to crypto. We need crypto.com. We need Binance. We need Coinbase. We need on-ramps to crypto, guys. Do I want to operate in centralized exchanges? Not as much as I want to buy things through DeFi, right? I want to take lower fees for sure. And I want decentralization. But I think that the on-ramps to crypto that are given to us by these centralized exchanges, Binance, Coinbase, crypto.com, are necessary. And I just think that it's a scam that Coinbase had to settle with the New York regulators. They were extorted. That's what we're seeing here. Extortion, guys. So yes, Jim Cramer's tweeting. The FDIC is threatening. The New York regulators are extorting. That is the crypto space that we unfortunately are in, guys. And I'm looking at these dips and I'm thinking, man, we know a bull market's coming back, guys. We know that a bull market's coming back. It's only a matter of time. And why? Because, guys, crypto is worldwide. This is a promotion for crypto.com for users in Turkey. That's why I said Turkey earlier. Guys, if the U.S. government wants to play these games, fine. They're going to they're going to do a brain drain, first of all, from the U.S. of intelligent and eloquent and creative developers that could be in the crypto space. And they're going to go to other countries that are accepting it. Crypto.com, hey, even if they get boxed out of the U.S., they're still going to exist. And I don't think they're going to get boxed out of the U.S. because I think the U.S. cannot box out crypto. It would be a national security risk for them to do so, in my opinion. And we got to keep in mind that the crypto Gen 3.0 Crypto.com exchange isn't even in the U.S., guys, yet. This is a bullish thing for Crypto.com when the institutional investors can use this exchange and people like you and me can use this exchange here in the US. And I'm not talking about the main app on Crypto.com. I'm talking about a real exchange like you can get through Binance, Poloniex, some of these other exchanges, right? Where you can actually see the buys and the sell orders and all that. And you can do stop loss limits and all these types of things on these exchanges. That is going to be a game changer for crypto. And it's coming, guys. It's coming. There is a wait list for this now. A lot of great things coming for crypto, guys. So be on the lookout. That's really all I got for you guys in today's video. Make sure that you guys, if you haven't done so already, that you guys are taking advantage of this giveaway that we are doing on the channel. We are giving away a loaded line to 25,000 subscribers, and we are giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin when we reach 10,000 subscribers, and we're over halfway there. Guys, that's all I got for you today. I'm Cryptokip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, you got to remember to DCA HODL, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace.